my first order last week. That was August 8. This is what I like most in the delivery in the company, because this one at least I can still have something a few cents up.
Tita Barla loving life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong ticket.
By the way, I am speaking foreign language. By the way, I'm speaking some English. I'll be speaking some English because I have noticed that most of my viewers are from the other countries. Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. Today is not a sunny weather. It's a gloomy Friday. And I'm just happy because very common item in our household has come to my tindahan. The agent came last month introducing himself, introducing his items, but need not introduce more because his items are so common in our household. They are the new management. The first one, the previous one, transferred to another place somewhere in Cotabato, and then the previous management gave all customers to the new company. And since the new company wants new customer, so napunta sila dito sa akin. Actually, ang ating products ay Nestle. Oh, eto. Lagi akong bumibili nito pero ngayon ko lang nalaman na ito pala si Nestle. Alam ko si Nestle. Pero di ko alam na under pala siya ng Nestle. So ang kinuha ko is after 1 month, akala ko lang okay. Parang nagsasurvey ba? Parang tulad noong sigarilyo dati na halos abutan ako ng isang taon na pagpunta-punta niya dito, nagsasurvey. Pero I'm so glad na he can get the orders and Thursday to get Friday is the delivery day. So, once you order, they will send you the order form. Parang ganito. It looks like I'll just do it a screen. It looks like a receipt OR online. So my first order was 793.29. No need minimum purchase. In a 1 month, you have to have an accumulated amount of 2,000 pesos. So you could have 500 weekly because they came here weekly. So my first order was 793. First time here. May bago akong delivery. Nestle products are here. Plastic pa to. Happy talaga ako na andito na si Nestle products sa amin. Akong bagong, kung sa'yo tawag gani? Supplier, no? Supplier, Nestle, yan. Nag-vlog ko sa kong tindahan, ginagmay, sir. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Ayan si Nestle. Happy talaga ako na andito na si Nestle products sa amin. Yes, at ito ang nabayaran ko ng lahat, 793. Actually, ito lang kahapon nung nagpunta siya dito, hindi ko maisip ba kung ano ang o-orderin ko kasi ang inisip ko yung pang piyesta na mga items. So sabi ko lang sa kanya, iisang one-tie itong twin. Mas gusto ko pang twin kasi mabigay ko sa tumer ng 10 pesos. Tsaka alam nyo, dito sa tindahan ng pamilihan namin to 14 pesos. Sa kanila is 13.30. At ito si Nestle. Ano to? 19 plus na to sa tindahan. Sa kanila is 18. Parang piso ang difference nila. Dito naman si Magic Sarap. Sa tindahan is 12. 12 isa. Sa kanila is 11.15. At ito ang pinakamaganda kasi sa tindahan is 11.25 isa nito. Pero sa kanila is 10.69. So ayan. Happy na ako. Nag-order lang ako nito para ma-activate na yung aking account. Sabi ko, every week naman ang balik nila. Thursday ang kuha ng order, pag Friday i-deliver. Ayan. So thank you so much Nestle for your quick ano. Pero actually 1 month na itong nag-survey sa akin kung okay lang ba daw na magbenta sila. And you know what, I'm so happy about this thing because our customers keep on asking if you have magic sarap na 5 pesos. Oh, the original pack, the small one, is no longer 5 pesos. It cannot be. It is already 6 pesos. So I have the chance to get this, especially it is from the supplier, so they can supply a lower price. Actually, when I bought this in the tindahan, in the store, it's 12 pesos. So if I'll be selling this for 5, I only got 3 pesos. And then in the company, it is 11.15 pesos. So there's a difference of 0.85. So I'll be having a tubo of 385 of this. This is so solid. This is so solid, so that at least I can do some. Hirapan ako And in the market it is 14 pesos, and in the supplier it is 13.37 only. So there's always a big difference, even a few centavos. So ito ang pinakagusto. This is what I like most in the delivery in the company, because this one at least I can still have something, a few cents up. And this Nesty juice is already 19 something in the market. In the supplier it is 18 something. So it's a 1 peso difference. That was my first order last week. That was August 8. And
06135.
okay. 35. So 857
Oo, dam.
base order. I choose these items that is more common here in the store, so it will be easily to dispose. So for today's order, with the Bear brand in the market is 11.25. I am selling it at 13 pesos, and in the company it is 10 pesos and 69 cents. So the same with this chocolate drink, milk and chocolate Bear brand. And I have the Nescafe na laging tumataas. 25.85 sa kanila. So parang pareho lang, hindi ko lang. Baka mas nagmahal na doon sa market, di ko lang sure kasi minsan lang to. Actually, isang customer lang ang bumibili nito. Then I have 6 Chucky milk chocolate drink, 6 yan. Sa tindahan, it is 14.75, and dito sa kanila is only 13.53. Eto naman si Nescafe stick. I'm not sure kung magkano na to doon sa market. 145 to. And this new Nestogen 0 to 6 months is my new item here. Kasi meron once may naghanap ng pang emergency daw nung gabi. So I tried, and then as per the company's policy, ang tie nila is 4 pieces. So yan lang ang nabili ko for the day, and its total is 857. Since this is new, I will be checking this for the price. Per piece is 74 pesos. So maybe I will give only 12%. So 83 or 82, this one. My normal pricing percentage is, okay, ano to? The scooper. My normal percentage for my increase is 15%. So this one might be 10 to 12% only. I sell this at 17 pesos dahil nga sa 14.25 yung original price niya. Since they are new in the tindahan, Bear brand adult and this Milo, I have the stocks on hand before the agent came. So hindi pa siya ganon na-introduce. And then I also made a Nestogen 0 to 6 months because this is more expensive, so I have to post this. So this is for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is Tita Barla, and see you in my next vlog. Goodbye.